Ducky 3D! 5 little duckies, hop, 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 over the hills that never stop. Wiggling tails and sunny skies, adventure right before our eyes. Up the green mountain, down the way, having such a happy day. Mama calls out loud and clear, but one little ducky is not near. Where did he go? Where did he hide? Mama looks with eyes so wide. 4 little duckies jump in the mud, splash, splash, splash with a thud. Mama quacks again, calling the team, but one gets stuck inside a stream. Only 3 are running fast, trying to make the fun time last. Chasing butterflies in the air, purple flowers everywhere. Mama waits by the pond so blue, only to come back to you. Tired little feet moving slow, into the tall grass they go. Deep in the reeds, shadows play, looking for a place to stay. Mama is crying, heart is sore, looking for babies by the shore. One little ducky is fast asleep, under the mushroom hidden deep. Mama calls, searching high and low, where did all the duckies go? The golden sun begins to fade. Lonely pond in the forest shade. Mama takes a breath so big and grand. Quack, quack, hear the sound. All the babies turn around, running home with a happy beat, super fast and super sweet. Mama's wings are open wide, bringing all her duckies inside. Dancing in the water, joyful and free, happy as family you will see, swimming away in a perfect line.